What's up everyone? Welcome back to episode 25 of Milkshake Wednesday. I'm very late today. I got caught up at the work, 9 to 5. That's something I need to speak to you guys about soon. To go to Joe's now. Something else has been done to the car, but I cannot show you guys yet because the full reveal still needs to come. I'm super excited for that. The car's looking fresh. Looks like it's brand new. I'm super stoked about the way it came out, especially the front end. Without the number plate it looks a lot better, but I can't really drive like that. But I'm super excited to see what's going to happen tonight. I hope you guys have been well. Thank you guys for supporting. The ones who have been consistently viewing and tuning in on the channel. I really appreciate it. Yeah, let me know if you guys want to see more Ford Figo content, and if you do, comment down below what you'd like to see. I know someone asked to do a full mod list. I will still get to that as soon as the car is done with its, not transformation, but just resurrection. That's the right word. Look at all of them leaving an opinion, yeah. But I can't. They can say what they want, but I can't show you guys. Sorry, not yet. What do you think of the color?
It was nice.
Yeah, I like it. How's it, bro?
Awesome, bro.
I thought it was gonna look like it's looking dirty. How's it, bro? How's it? Hi, man. Brandon, nice to meet you. Oh, almost showed him, but yeah, it's dark, but I wanted it that color. In the sun, dude. It's oh fuck. We're gonna get a ride along in Donovan's 7R. We've been in that car before. He's done a whole bunch of upgrades, so keen to see or to feel what it feels like. He says he needs some new tires, so we'll see how that goes. But he's gonna come around. I want to get some video of that. Here comes the beast. Woo! She's wild. A lot faster. And you say you still need new tires, eh? Oh yeah. Holy shit. That sounds insane with the screamer, dude. Hear that? I say that's the way I feel. He's expressing it for me. Yo, al die klanke is net perfek. Radkas en alles nie meer krag, is dit daarom right?
Ja, klopt. Ja, alles is
perfect.
Ek word net letterlik nie met tires en syfers.
Ja. Nou al die tyd.
Oh fuck, hy lank gewag.
Exactly.
Yes. Wat ek kry was hoor dit.
Putting you back in the seat. but Donovan, kan het nie beskryf nie. Okay, well, there we go. Now you can see. Yes, and I just like the amount of pops and bangs you have. It's like not overbearing. Sleeper basically. Upgrade of is it enough standard?
Yeah, this is standard, it's fine.
Yeah.
It's fine.
And if you need to, you can just do pads. Like
Ja,
upgrade pads.
definitief. Like ek sê, ek sal nou wel upgrade gaan, ek sal wel soos erop op slotted gaan. Besluit nou. Maar dan daarna shop. Ek is nog nie so baie.
Ja, dat is nog wel solid. Like being a little child again.
Ja. Jy droom altyd van en jy dink altyd soos jy gaan dit nie achieve nie, is Need for Speed of wat maar
Yes, this is Need for Speed in fucking real life.
Real life, dit waar jou kar, jou kar.
Yes. Hope you guys can clearly hear the screamer pipe on this thing. It sounds insane. Oh. Especially on this intake. Dude, hier met soos Evan Shanks. Van check bietjie sy YouTube. Hy het nou 'n Golf 6 GTI opgebou. Ek weet nie wat se software hulle gebruik het nie, maar hy het rolling anti-lags. Ek gaan nou vir jou video wys as ons daar stop nou. Dit is
insane.
Jy moet sien hoe kakvarig is daai kar, bro. Dit is insane. Maar
ek sal laat gebruik. Val op die highway.
Yo, highway
Bring
track.
die MT.
Alles op kak.
Alles easy. Maar alle been, dis die probleem.
Ja, so daai fucking top end power is maar die twee het 'n bietjie. Dis 'n regtig groot turbo gaan, maar jy weet turbo like. Is hierdie nog wat se fuel is hierdie?
Dit is 95.
95.
So dit nou op 1.6 bar boost. So as ek in die tires doen, dan vir met 2 bar.
Yo,
Dis 3 kilowatt. Ek het dit nog nie eens gesien.
Yo.
Wat sal dit doen?
we'll do a proper like feature video. I think Donovan's car deserves it. And you said you're doing a couple of like can I say aesthetic upgrades as well? So once that happens, we'll bring him back and do a proper feature, but especially when he's done NF and new cars. But that was awesome, dude. Thank you. I really appreciate it.